Hi, did I tell you that there's a new project on Satoshi? If I didn't, it's high time that you learned there is one. So let's read about it. So if you haven't yet installed Satoshi Hub, you will need to click the link in the description section, and I'll leave a video that you're gonna use just to have a quick glimpse on how you're going to set up the account. So when you're in, let me just click where we are going to actually get more information about this project. Okay, so they're saying having one is the REKT resistant Ethereum level 1 blockchain, meticulously designed to prevent on-chain scams, hacks, and rug pulls, allowing trusted users and builders to interact in Web 3. Okay, so this is what is all about the project. So you can go back, and then let me show you how you have to participate in this. What you do is you click projects, and boom, you'll see it on top there. So just click it, and then you click in the top right, participate, and boom, it has been activated. You can roll back to the main page, click airdrop, and you'll see it now running here.